Hello and welcome. In our rapidly evolving world, one aspect is catching up a bit slower: the practice of true inclusion in our workplaces. But the good news is, there's a book that's been making waves. It's Better Allies: Everyday Actions to Create Inclusive, Engaging Workplaces. And today, we're going to dive into why this book is such a game changer. Did you know that companies with diverse management teams report a 19% higher innovation revenue? So diversity isn't just a nice to have, it's a must have. Now let's talk about the creator of this impressive work, Karen Catlin. She's not just a decorated tech leader, she's a passionate advocate for inclusion, and boy, does it show in her work. Better Allies is a practical guide. It's like having a navigation system guiding you on the journey to a more inclusive workplace. The book is chock full of simple actions that we can incorporate into our daily routines. You see, being an ally isn't about grand gestures. It's about the small, everyday actions that add up to real change. Of course, no work of art is perfect. Better Allies could delve deeper into intersectionality and broaden its perspective to include non-Western cultures. But hey, who doesn't like a little extra homework? Now, for some FAQs. Is Better Allies just for managers and leaders? Absolutely not. This book is a treasure trove for anyone who wants to help create an inclusive workplace. It's not just a book of theories, it's a blueprint for action. On a personal note, reading Better Allies made me question my biases and actions. It was like switching on a light, illuminating areas I had overlooked. It's challenging, but also empowering. Since its publication, Better Allies has been creating ripples across the industry. It's been praised for its comprehensive approach to allyship, and readers have shared how it's been a compass guiding them through the maze of diversity and inclusion. When we compare Better Allies with other books on the topic, its practicality and simplicity make it stand out. It makes allyship tangible, accessible, and applicable in everyday scenarios. To sum it up, Better Allies is not just an informative book, it's a call to action. It's a call to become allies, to champion inclusion, and to create equitable workplaces. So, are you ready to become a better ally? Because our journey as allies is just beginning, and together, we can make our workplaces and our world more inclusive. Until next time, keep turning those pages, and let's build a better world, one action at a time.